Hello, my name is Catherine Brading and I'd like to share with you our recreation of Johannes Kepler's Platonic solids model of the cosmos, which he published in 1596 in his book Mysterium, Cosmographicum. He used this model to explain the spacing of the orbits of the planets in Copernicus's system. Here's the Sun at the centre of Copernicus's system, and here is how Kepler describes his model in his own words. The Earth's circle is the measure of all things. Circumscribe a dodecahedron around it. The circle surrounding it will be Mars. So there it is, the shell that has Mars's orbit inside it. Circumscribe a tetrahedron around Mars. The circle surrounding it will be Jupiter. Circumscribe a cube around Jupiter. The surrounding circle will be Saturn. Now inscribe an icosahedron inside the Earth. The circle inscribed in it will be Venus. Inscribe an octahedron inside Venus. The circle inscribed in it will be Mercury. Okay, so that's Kepler's model. The spacing of these shells gives the spacing of Copernicus's orbits. In other words, hidden in Copernicus's orbits is a deep structure, an inner harmony. This is what Kepler has uncovered and laid before our eyes. At the time Kepler was writing, most people believed that the Earth is at the centre of the cosmos. Copernicus had published his sun-centred system in 1543, and Kepler was living and working at a time when very few people believed that Copernicus was right. The two astronomical systems, one geocentric and the other heliocentric, were equally good when it came to the match between predictions and observations. So how do you decide between them? Kepler offered an answer. We know the heliocentric system is right because this system, and not the geocentric system, has an underlying geometrical harmony. And because we've found this harmony, we know that we've hit on the right structure for the cosmos. This recreation of Kepler's model was built by Mac Meixner at the University of Notre Dame Visualization Theatre, which is directed by Keith Davis.